This is a universal AC adapter. I picked this up because if you're going to pick up these old laptops, they've all got different plugs in the back. So instead of having 4 or 5 AC adapters, you just got this universal one here. And all you have to do is change the tips. It comes with a bunch of tips. You got them here in the bag. And you just swap the tips out, and just go up to your laptop and figure out which one. Here I got an old gateway here. Okay, that one takes that tip. So now we're just gonna now we just swap it out with the tip here. And this one is an old Dell here on top. And that one takes this one. It's a Targus 90 watt universal AC adapter. I picked this one up at Office Depot. Comes in handy. Instead of having so many cords laying around in the old AC adapters, you swap them out. It's real easy to do. See there, you just pop them on, pop them off. Figure out which one goes to your laptop. There's a USB one. Alright, like and subscribe. Leave comments.